Hello, welcome to another Minecraft video, and today I'm going to be creating a custom map. And you can find the download link in the description. What is this button? Okay, that's his YouTube channel. And type away into the command block to begin. Over to number 2, or use the or put in your commands. Have a letter, be simple, acknowledge it's sometimes hard to poop, and don't poop your leggings. Okay. Link for something else. Let's start playing. What does that mean? Am I supposed to use the command block? Take off my leggings. That's the limits. Oh. Okay, let's open the door. Oh. Okay. Take off my leggings. What do I do now? Wait, Open door. Pressure pushing the door made you poop, I'm guessing? Well, I can't see the whole thing. So, playing. So, take off the leggings. And it said the pressure of pushing the door. Let's try this. Oh, wow. Haha. Sit on toilet. It said not to use the word poo, but what about poo? I wonder if that's gonna work. Yay! Wait, should I be proud of that? I'm not really sure. Well, that was a pretty short map. Well, check out his Sessy's YouTube channel. I heard that he's done a Pokemon thing. I'm gonna try to record that in the future. And please subscribe, like, and I guess that's it. I'll be leaving the link for the download in the description. And see you guys next time.